Shares of Audioeye Inc. are trading at $22.76, and they are up over 281% after its recent bull run that started in February. Zooming out on the chart, you can see that this stock has had a wild ride over the past few years, and this is yet another massive run after they recently announced plans to integrate AI into their business model. In terms of fundamentals, Audioeye has smashed all three of its last earnings calls. Their probability of bankruptcy is around 10%, which is good, and their revenue and net income, of course, are both trending upwards nicely and have some good momentum. The average one-year analyst price forecast is $17.75, which is actually 21% lower than where it trades today, with a high estimate of $18.50 and a low of $17. Not a lot of spread, but then again, not a lot of analyst coverage on this stock either. Moving on to the main problem I have with this stock, though, is of course, like so many others, its valuation. Audioeye's price to sales is 8.94, which is actually lower than its industry average of 10.11, but it is pretty high given the company's historical valuation. For December 30th, 2025, AEYE is expected to earn a revenue of $40 million, which is 27% higher than today, and that works out to around $3.44 a share. If we follow the trend of their price to sales, I think that we can expect it to plateau and then fall again just like it did back in 2021, and I think it's going to sit around the 7.4 mark by, December 2025, and that would result in a share price of $25.43. Again, that is $3.44 a share times its price to sales of 7.4 gives you that $25.43 share price, which is a 12% upside. So while upside is good, I think that the risk involved with having that valuation high relative to its historical value, like we saw in 2021, and just having that valuation risk, that crash risk of it plateauing and then coming down, just like it did at its last bull run, it's too much risk for only a 12% upside. And for that reason, I think there's better plays out there right now. So anyways, that's all I have for you today on Audioeye stock. Please drop a like, leave a comment, and I will see you next video.